In this problem, we want to determine if there's a significant difference in the proportion of adult Americans who feel high-income people pay their fair share of taxes and the proportion who feel low-income people pay their fair share of taxes. So our null hypothesis is that P1 equals P2, and our alternative hypothesis is that P1 is not equal to P2, that there's a difference between the two groups. So we'll say the high-income people are group 1 and the low-income people are group 2. It's not the high-income people exactly, it's the people who feel that high-income people pay their fair share of taxes. So that's group 1. All right, so let's enter this into the calculator, and we're going to hit Stat, and then go over to Tests. And this is a number 6 2-prop z-test. And now I have to enter x1. And in the previous video, you saw how to find x1. So x1 is the proportion, or the x1 is the number of people who feel that high-income people pay their fair share. And we found that that was 73 plus 146. And I can just enter it that way, and it calculates 219 for me. And that was out of 1,020 people. Now, the number of people who feel that low-income people pay their fair share of taxes is 73 plus 274. And N2 is also 1,020. Now this is a two-tailed test, so we choose that P1 is not equal to P2, and then we'll draw to get the test statistic and the p-value. And we get our test statistic is z equals negative 6.33, rounded to 2 decimal places, and the p-value is 0. Now the p-value is never actually 0. It's just that it's so small that it's very close to 0. If we round to 4 decimal places, it rounds to 0. So that's one nice thing about choosing draw, is that it will round that for you, and you don't get a number in scientific notation. And that's the end of that problem.